Hi, my name is Dr. Lou Jacobs, and I'd like to talk to you about bioimpedance analysis. It's a form of body composition testing that's extremely accurate and helps people understand what they're made of so that they can more effectively strategize their weight loss and fitness goals. We use this test in our office for our weight loss challenge that we hold every year, but also for my weight loss and fitness coaching clients that I work with on a regular basis. Here's what it does. It basically sends electrical current through your body, and it meets resistance, and that resistance is different in all types of tissues. So we find out through the resistance how much fat you have in your body, how much muscle you have in your body, how much water you have in your body, and where that water is. Whether or not that water's ratio is great from the inside of the cell to the outside of the cell. All of these factors impact your metabolism. And if you don't know where your metabolism is off, you're going to have a hard time adapting your plan to make it most effective. So we use this tool regularly to help people understand what they're composed of and to help them reach their goals. So this is the RJL bioimpedance analyzer that we use in our office. You can see that it is quite small and only has 4 leads. Basically, there are pads that are used, and they are attached to these leads here. They're stuck to your feet, into your hands, and the electrical current is run through your body, and the impedance in different tissue is measured by the machine. It's painless, it's safe, provided that you don't have any electrical devices regulating electricity in your body. It's extremely fast and extremely accurate. This machine is used in labs all across the country. We have you lie down on your back, take your shoes and socks off, take off all your jewelry, hook it up, and like I said before, it's a really quick process. After entering in some data into the computer, it takes the measurements and calculates everything, and then we go over the results. Have you ever started a new workout plan and after a month you get on the scale and you weigh exactly the same that you weighed when you first started? A lot of times this can be very discouraging, and I've seen a lot of people give up on their hopes of changing their body when they see the number hasn't changed at all. But scales only tell us so much. And so you can gain 2 pounds of muscle and lose 2 pounds of fat, and guess what? The scale's going to tell you that you weigh exactly the same. You can gain water, lose muscle, gain muscle, lose fat, gain fat. And if at the end of the day everything is balanced out, you're going to weigh the same. Scales are not reliable indicators for how you are doing with your plan. And this is why we use this body composition analysis to find out exactly where you've lost the weight, where you've gained the weight. The information that the machine prints out for us is really fantastic. You can see this pie chart right here that breaks everything down. Fat-free mass, lean dry mass, intracellular water content, extracellular water content, total body water, and then in yellow here is total body fat. So you can see this person here weighs 149 pounds, has a total of 12 pounds of body fat, which makes up 8% of their entire body weight. Fat-free mass, lean dry mass, total body water weighs in at 104 pounds, with the intracellular water and the extracellular water coming in at 58.2% and 41.8%. I talk a lot about the importance of having a 60% to 40% intracellular to extracellular water content within and without or outside of the cell, because this balance of water creates the optimal metabolic environment for the cells, so that your body and the cells that make up your body are getting all of the nutrition that is presented to them, and it is excreting the toxins that are then left over, the garbage, the digestive waste of the cell is being excreted properly when you have a 60-40% balance here. This person here had 58.2 and 41.8%, which means that the extracellular water content, the water outside of the cell, was actually greater than it should be. And this means that the toxins are leaving the cell, but the cells are not getting the nutrition that they're supposed to be. And this poses a problem. If you're spending a lot of time and a lot of money trying to get the best possible nutrition and your intra to extracellular water balance is off, you're wasting your time and money, and then your body is not reaping the benefits. Other interesting numbers here. The phase angle is a measurement of cellular wall breakdown. That's an indicator and has been shown to be fairly accurate in predicting someone's risk of chronic disease, as well as the prognosis for a person once they have a chronic disease. This person's number was 8.9, which falls well within the range of normal for this person, 7.2 to 9.1. So this is what you get. You get all of this information plus some about your body composition, and it allows you to really understand exactly what you're losing, what you're gaining when you're exercising and trying to get in great shape. When you step on a scale, you're only getting the weight in pounds. You could gain water weight, lose fat, gain muscle, lose muscle. All of these combinations pose a problem if you want to know exactly what's going on. And again, of course, the scale doesn't give you the details. It just tells you that you maybe weigh the same after you've gained a bunch of muscle, lost a lot of fat, and are carrying a little extra water. If you've ever given up because the scale has told you lies, it's time to do the right thing. Contact me. Let's do a body composition test before you start your regimen for getting in better shape. Work out, get in shape. Let's retest you and see how much fat you've lost, how much muscle you've gained, and how perfectly balanced your water composition is. There's no more time for being discouraged by the scale. It's useless. Forget about it. We're going to use body composition testing from now on.